My name is Nan Heald. I'm the Executive Director of Pine Tree Legal Assistance, which is one of Maine's free legal aid providers to low-income folks who live in our state. In our state, there are also other legal aid programs, but I'm going to talk a little briefly about Pine Tree and what we do. We are the largest and oldest legal aid program in Maine. We have offices all over the state. We provide help to people who are low income with a pretty broad list of legal problems. And we encourage folks to contact us whenever they think we might be able to help with a legal problem. We can't do everything, and we have to provide limited advice to a lot of people, but we're at least advancing the role of helping people understand their rights. What happens when you refer someone or contact Pine Tree is that we're going to do a quick check to make sure you're eligible for our services, which is primarily about being low income. And then we're going to decide whether the problem you have is one that Pine Tree can help with. If we can't help with it, but another legal aid program might be able to, we're going to encourage you to contact that other legal aid program. And if we can help, we'll either provide advice right on the spot, either to the person who's walked into our office or who's called us on the phone, or we may talk about it among our staff and then decide what we can do for somebody. Really common problems that we help with are those related to landlord-tenant issues, foreclosure, consumer debt, government benefits, domestic violence and sexual assault. I think those are the big ones. But that we have funding changes from time to time, and so we always encourage people to contact us. We know that a lot of people don't understand that the problem they have is a legal problem. They mostly just think about calling lawyers if the police are involved or if a divorce is involved. So we try to work with partners and agencies and anybody that we can to make sure that they know to refer people to us if they're talking about a problem like debt collection. We sometimes talk about those as the magic words, that if you hear them, we want our agency partners, we'd love to have librarians make those referrals to us. We do have a lot of information on our program websites. That is the best way for us to serve the largest number of people. And our ptla.org website has been up and running since April of 1996. We have a lot of client education material there. People from all over the U.S. use it, although the website pretty clearly indicates what is specific to people living in Maine and what is not. So ptla.org, we have kidslegal.org for people with low-income children or youth, especially around school issues, but including some other things. And we have a national website, statesidelegal.org, that is designed for military and veteran households anywhere in the world who have questions or are wondering about legal rights or legal issues. We aren't able to take everybody's case. We will look at the facts involved in a situation and then provide information and advice to people. We also do a lot of training for different social service agencies, other lawyers, community groups, and many legal aid programs like Pine Tree are eager to get an invitation to come in and talk about our services. One of the things Pine Tree has done for as long as I've been here, and I've been here for a long time, is work with librarians around our state. We have used libraries as places to come in and provide trainings and community education presentations on specific topics. We have worked with librarians to make sure that they know what is on the Pine Tree websites and how they can help library veterans get to those websites and access that information. In my state, the libraries are a really important resource for low-income people who don't have access to the internet otherwise, and are looking for information and support. So building that partnership with librarians has been really, really significant for us, and it's something that we really value.